A'udhu Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So today we are going to study about the local invasion and metastasis, which are both the main characteristics of neoplasm and also the hallmark of neoplasia, malignant neoplasia. So let's start. So first of all, we will define that what is local invasion. So local invasion is the infiltration and invasiveness of the malignant tumors to surrounding tissues. Infiltration and invasiveness of malignant tumors to surrounding tissues, which may be an organ, an artery, vein, or lymphatic. It can be anything. It can be organ, it can be an artery, vein, or lymphatic. And this is called invasion, local invasion. What is metastasis? It is defined as the spread of a tumor, to the sites which are physically discontinuous with the primary tumor. Metastasis is the spread of malignant tumor, mostly malignant tumor, to the sites which are physically discontinuous with the primary tumor. So, for example, it is an organ and it is another organ, and there is no direct physical connection between these organs. So, spread of this neoplasm, malignant neoplasm, to this organ which has no direct connection as compared to this tissue which has direct connection with this organ, it is called neoplasm. So it is called local invasiveness, and this spread of tumor is called metastasis. Metastasis. So now we are going to study the local invasion, the property, the hallmark of malignant tumor in both the benign and malignant tumors. In both benign and malignant tumors. So the benign tumors usually grow slowly, and usually, but not always, they are encapsulated. And this capsule is made of compressed fibrous tissue, and this fibrous tissue is secreted by the stromal cells. And this secretion of fibrous tissues by the stromal cell is induced by the hypoxia due to the compression of the arteries produced by these benign tumors. Compression of artery. So when there is compression of arteries, there will be no blood supply to such tissue. There will be hypoxia, and this hypoxia will stimulate the stromal cells to secrete fibrous tissue, and this fibrous tissue will be arranged around the benign tumors, making it easily removable by the surgical incision. And number second part, which is given by this fibrous tissue or capsule to this benign tumor, is that it is highly localized. It can't invade the surrounding tissue. There are some exceptions where there is no capsule. For example, myoma of the uterus and the hemangioma, which is a benign vascular neoplasm. These two benign tumors have no capsule, but they have no property of local invasion. So it means that local invasion is not only produced by the absence of capsule, but there are also many factors which are not under the scope of this topic. So now coming towards the local invasion of the malignant tumors. So the malignant tumors are very invasive, very invasive. Most of the malignant tumors lack the capsule, but also some have the capsule, but they still invade the surrounding tissue, and this is due to their crab-like pits which can be seen under the microscope. And this capsule is made of the stroma of the surrounding host tissue. This is made of the surrounding stroma of surrounding host tissue. These are not produced by the malignant tumors, and sometimes it can be mistaken for the benign tumors, but when seen under the microscope they show crab-like pits which invade the surrounding tissue.